Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our October 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Yes, you guessed it. October sales were a record once again as units sold and average sale price for the month exceeded all previous Octobers. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up dramatically for October compared to last year, with 9,768 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 27% above the last 5-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 35% share of the market, with 3,420 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is a bit above average for October. The October average sale price for all GTA homes came in at a record-breaking $762,975, a significant 21.1% higher than last year. Interestingly, what brought the average this high were lots of higher-end sales in the 905 area. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 42% decline in inventory for the month of October compared to historical numbers, and lower by 35% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In October, that ratio finished at 92.5% compared to 54% last year. We're still in extreme seller market territory, and it should continue the same through at least November. The days on market average for Toronto homes was just 16. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for October was just under $490,400. That average moved up 7.4% from the same time last year. With 500 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 25% compared to 2015. There were 651 active listings on the market in October, 47% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 76.8%. which puts CO1 into very hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 22, 3 days faster than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for October was just over $480,000. That number was up 9.4% compared to 2015. And with 190 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 14% from last year. There were 224 active listings on the market in October, down 40% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 84.8% for the month. That number puts CO8 solidly into very hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 20, the same as last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones from October. We had the highest ever number of overall sales for the month of October, and the highest ever ratio of sales to listings for the market overall and for the downtown condo market. Active listings were down to their lowest ever for the month of October, and we saw the most condo sales ever for the month of October. There was a 21.1% average sale price increase from 1 year ago, and a huge $133,000 increase in the October average sale price compared to 2015. October's average price was the highest of any month so far this year, and compared to October 2012, just 4 years ago, the average price is up 51.5%. We are heading for another record year of sales in the range of 112,000 versus 101,212 in 2015. Twice a year we monitor the bellwether average sale price for a detached house in the city of Toronto itself. In October we hit an average of $1,303,339, which is up 21.6% from October 2015 and up 7.6% from the February 2016 number that you can see on the screen here. Detached homes outside of Toronto, in York and Durham regions have also been in that same increased average sale price range, or sometimes even higher. We suspect that the more affordable downtown condominium lifestyle will put pressure on the price of two-bedroom condos especially, which are a young family's alternative to a much more expensive city or suburban house with a backyard. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Check back here in early December for our November 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.